You know, when I saw it the first time, I thought it was big, but now that it's mine, now it looks really big. I'm so scared, but I'm so excited. I'm on my way to pick up the keys for my dream office. This building, this is a dream come true. I never, I always dreamed of an office like this. Always, huge showroom, huge office, everything in one place. The construction equipment, the office people, the showroom where the customers come in. That was always my dream. Now, that is easier said than done, especially in Orange County, because Orange County is just super crazy expensive, you know? So just to get a building like this was not easy to have, you know what I mean? So we had to grow into this a whole bunch. And we finally did, and now we're here. This is a new chapter for OC Poolscapes, you know? This is big, this is real big. Let's go check this place out. There's a lot of work that needs to happen before we move in. And we have 1 month before we move in. Because this office space, we need to close it up, and we need more office actually. So we have a bathroom, we have office, you know, and obviously we need to remodel all this. We need to make it look pretty because it looks very industrial right now. Well, there's an office right here, like a conference room over there, bathroom. Look at this bathroom. Oh my God, this bathroom needs to be redone completely. Oh, this is gonna be such a big project. Now I'm freaking out. Yeah, we can't leave the bathrooms like this. Then you have this huge space, so we need to redo all this space and turn it into offices. So we have a lot of work to do. So now, but here's the really exciting part. Here's the part that blows my mind. This is my dream right here. Come on. So, see all this warehouse, all this space? This is gonna be the future of OC Poolscapes. This is where our showroom is gonna be. We're gonna have pools, water features, everything, like an immersive experience here at here. At OC Poolscapes, at the showroom. So I'm gonna take the space all the way to like right here, you know, a little bit less than half. And I'm gonna turn all this into a huge showroom. You know? Huge screen over there with our projects. That's how I visualize it. Pools, immersive experience. We're gonna have a little bar over there, you know, that our signature bar that we always have. Then all this echoing like crazy. All this is gonna be warehouse space for material, equipment, tools. I bought a slab cutting machine that's gonna be coming here. It's getting delivered next week. And it's gonna be crazy, it's gonna be insane. And all this is our yard, where we can park our trucks, more tools, more material, and all that stuff. You know, it gains into this. It's gonna be something else. It's gonna be a game changer for us. Super, super game changing. I'm so excited. You have no idea how excited. I'm FaceTiming because I'm FaceTiming the whole team right now. That's been with us from day one. Because I really just want to I'm so excited. I want to cry. I can't believe it. It's way too big. Look, there's Johnny right now. Bro, all this is ours, bro. Can you believe it?
Is that the new office?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's so freaking big. I'm getting overwhelmed with how big it is. ¿Estás listo? ¿Te acuerdas cuando empezamos en la lista?
Ajá, la lista, Simón.
Mira, papu. Overwhelmed? Scared? Terrified? This is gonna be the nicest, best, craziest showroom you will ever step in. I'm gonna make this the coolest showroom for pools in the entire nation, okay? And the whole nation. Our place is gonna be the best. I promise you that. Let's go!